This is the Stanley Fatmax folding Jabsaw. Now you'll all have one of these, whether it's an electrician, a plumber, a kitchen fitter, a very versatile and handy tool. This is the Fatmax range and it has 8 TPI, 8 teeth per inch, and these are hardened jet cut teeth, so they actually last a lot longer and it's for faster cutting, forward and reverse action. You've got a hardened point for when you plunge it into your work, whether it be plasterboard or softwood timber.
I've used this for cutting little areas out, for running cabling. It's a multi-purpose saw actually, it's not just for a plasterboard, so you can use it for all sorts.
You've got a bi-material handle here, so it's very comfortable and very easy to use. And obviously it's a folding knife, but you can also lock it in position.
You can use that in confined spaces where you can't use it with its full length and you want it sort of half the length in a confined space.
You have 180 degrees, 135, and 90 degrees, and you can fold it into itself, into the handle, for safe storage in any toolbox, or you can simply pop it in your pocket.
Great idea of having a retractable blade. You can put it away in your pocket, not worry about going back in and cutting your fingers. When I do project work, it'll be a tool that'll be used a lot. Yeah.